Everything's unique about our business. There's nobody that I know that does this except for the big guys. You know, we've been doing this for more than 25 years, delivering liquid nitrogen, anything to do with liquid nitrogen, whether it's medical, whether it's industrial. But as we'd spoken about before, we make dreams come true.
So originally the company was founded in Logan because we lived in Logan, but the reason that we've chosen to stay in Logan is because it's such a good location for us. So most of our deliveries are between like Brisbane, Sunshine Coast, Gold Coast, and we go as far as Tweed. So being in Logan is a really good location for us to get to those areas really quickly. And more recently, we've also expanded out to Toowoomba. So now it's really like this epicenter, and it really makes sense to base our company here. So when we first started in 1993 in Crestmead in Logan, Queensland, we basically were just doing small deliveries to medical centres, and they would use the liquid nitrogen for skin cancer eradication treatments, or like, you know, burning off different things on your skin. Today we're not only in Queensland, we're also in Western Australia and Victoria.
We've grown from not just having the core business as liquid nitrogen, but doing now gases. So we do medical oxygen, so anything that really a medical centre needs, we can provide.
When the pandemic hit us, we couldn't get hold of equipment that before was quite easy to freely get, and we were importing a lot from either the US or from China. So we started to go, we need to look at manufacturing closer to home. Like, where do we start? Basically, we know what we want to build, but we just don't know where to go. So the first person that I actually called was Justin from Innovate, and I said, look, we've got this idea, we've got all the designs, we know what it's supposed to do, but we just need help finding someone who can help make this a reality. And so he gave us a bit of a push in the right direction. We contacted a few different local manufacturers. So that's how Innovate has helped us move into this whole new section of our business that before it wasn't even there pre-COVID. I think a big thing for us is to make sure that we continue innovating to stay relevant for our customers. Our ask today is that communities, small business, councils and corporates across Australia seriously look at your supply chains and, where possible, use your buying power to buy local and buy Australian.